Welcome back to Car Warrior 2025. Today, we're diving into the future of ultra-luxury with the all-electric 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre. A symbol of elegance, power, and innovation, this is not just a car, it's a statement. Let's explore what makes the Spectre a true masterpiece. Exterior. The 2026 Spectre boasts a sleek, fastback design with the longest coupe body Rolls-Royce has ever built. Its illuminated Pantheon grille, laser headlights, and signature spirit of ecstasy create a commanding presence. The 23-inch wheels and sweeping lines blend modern aerodynamics with timeless class. Every inch whispers luxury and sophistication. Performance. Under the hood, well beneath the surface, the Spectre is powered by a dual-motor all-electric setup, producing around 577 horsepower and 900 Newtons of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.4 seconds, smooth, silent, and exhilarating. With a range of over 500 km and 310 miles, it offers both power and practicality. Rolls-Royce calls it a Rolls-Royce first, electric second, and it shows. Interior. Inside, the Spectre redefines opulence. From the Starlight headliner and custom digital dashboard to the hand-stitched leather and wood veneers, every detail is crafted for comfort and elegance. Rear seat passengers enjoy lounge-like space and serenity. The cabin is nearly silent, wrapping you in a bubble of pure luxury. Safety. Features. Rolls-Royce integrates top-tier safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, collision warning, and a full 360-degree camera system. Combined with a rigid aluminum space frame and precise EV control, the Spectre ensures a secure and serene driving experience. Prices. The 2026 Spectre starts around $420,000, but with Rolls-Royce's bespoke options, most units will easily surpass $500,000. This car isn't just bought, it's commissioned. That's the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre, where luxury meets electrification in the most refined way possible. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more elite machines right here on Car Warrior 2025.